The F9 error code on a washing machine indicates that there is an overflow in the machine, which occurs when the pressure switch closes and remains closed for a minimum of 60 seconds. In some cases, the drain pump will continue pumping even after the cancel button is pressed, and the door may not open. This error code is often caused by a clogged or blocked drain pipe, which can be obstructed by foreign objects such as toys, resulting in an overflow. Additionally, dirty filters, which accumulate dirt, lint, and debris over time, can prevent proper drainage and lead to the error code. A faulty drain pump, which is responsible for removing water from the washing machine tub, can also cause the error code if it fails to function properly. Furthermore, a twisted or kinked drain pipe can allow partial flow or prevent water flow completely, leading to the error code. In some cases, a control board malfunction may be the underlying issue. To fix the F9 error code, several solutions can be applied. If the cause is a clogged drain pipe, it can be unclogged or replaced. A plumber snake can be used to clear out debris, or a new drain pipe can be purchased and installed. If the issue is due to dirty filters, they can be cleaned by turning off the water, unplugging the washing machine, disconnecting the drain pipes, and locating the filters at both ends of the drain pipe. The filters can then be removed, cleaned, and returned to their original position. If the drain pipe is kinked or bent, it may be necessary to purchase a new drain pump or seek the assistance of a technician. If the fault lies with the drain pump, a new one can be purchased from an appliance repair shop and installed, or a technician can be called to repair it if buying a new one is not feasible. In cases where the control board is malfunctioning, the washing machine can be reset by unplugging it, leaving it unplugged for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in and turning it on. A dry cycle can be run to test if the washer is fixed. And if it is still not draining, a technician can be contacted to diagnose and repair the control board.